Across the road from Cooper's funeral home, there's a bean field where tobacco once was grown. And the farmers, they don't mind, the times have changed. It only matters if it rains. They daydream as the sun burns furrowed brows, where they'd be if they knew then what they know now. They plowed through 40 years of aches and pains. It only matters if it rains. Watch the sun come up, watch the sun go down, watch a field of green grow or turn to brown. Old hands had meals to pray, what most wish would go away. Hard to live when prayers don't pay. It only matters if it rains. Now Ronnie Cooper leads a decent life. He don't brag that he gets by on people's strife. He's inherited his father's newborn pain. It only matters if it rains. He keeps his distance from those who will need the service he provides when they must grieve. His polished granite heart breaks to console their pain. It only matters if it rains. Watch the sun come up, watch the sun go down, watch a field of green grow or turn to brown. Old hands and meals to pray, what most wish would go away. Hard to live when prayers don't pay. It only matters if it